everyone, my name is Dr. Ann Maurer, and I'm enthusiastic to introduce you all to NeuroCon 2020, featured by Parker Seminars. This year's digital platform is easy to use and provides attendees with exclusive access to keynote speakers and notable professionals in the clinical neurology field. Before you settle in, let's take a look at the different digital tools you have direct access to throughout the next 2 days. For the best results, please use the seminar on a laptop or desktop device. Once you're on the NeuroCon Nexus event navigation page, which serves as your home base to work through the seminar, follow this demonstration on features that you can use during the event. From this NeuroCon Nexus, attendees have access to all of the seminar's diverse sections. At any time, you can return to the Nexus event navigation page to select another part of the seminar, like the main stage, Expo booths, or the Resource Center. At any time, you can click the Help and Resource Center icon for customer support, FAQs, links, or additional materials. Welcome to NeuroCon's main stage. Here, attendees can view live keynote speakers, chat with other attendees, engage through social media, and ask speakers questions about their seminar material. Located in the center of the main stage page is a video of the live speaker. Also on the main stage is the social media feed, where you may see your comments if you use #NeuroCon throughout the seminar. Have a thought or question you would like to discuss with other viewers? There'll be an attendee chat and speaker Q&A boxes right at your fingertips. Note that the main stage will feature morning and afternoon sessions. After lunch, be sure to return to the NeuroCon Nexus navigation page and re-enter the main stage section to refresh the feed and watch the afternoon speakers. And at this point in our seminar, you'll be spending a lot of time with me, and I'll be more than happy to interact with you in a lot of fun ways, such as giving away prizes and other goodie bags that we have stowed away for you. NeuroCon's Expo Hub is a virtual showcase providing attendees with access to expert exhibitors, the opportunity to visit interactive vendor booths, and the exclusive chance to network with influential sponsor staff members. Simply click on a vendor icon to learn more. Once you're in the exhibitor's virtual booth, you can ask questions, download brochures and materials, book consultations, and even get involved with giveaways or promotions. Select exhibitors even offer the opportunity to connect with their team via live demo calls. If you're still feeling lost, you can find yourself in need of an extra instruction or help. On24, NeuroCon's online host, is equipped with live customer support. You can also quickly check out FAQs and see if there's a way to address a common issue you might be experiencing. Finally, if you're receiving continued education hours, be sure to answer any pop-up questions that might appear on your screen during session. At the end of each day, watch for an email with recaps and surveys about the sessions you attend. Now, wasn't that easy? Sit back, relax, and enjoy Parker Seminars NeuroCon 2020 seminar.